All right, today's lineup is wild. 10 classic cars under 2 grand, all straight from Facebook Marketplace. Some run, some don't, and some look like they crawled out of a barn after a 40-year nap. But every single one of them has a story. Let's take a look. Number 1. 1955 Chrysler Windsor Deluxe. First up, this 1955 Chrysler Windsor Deluxe. And look, this one has that perfect forgotten project vibe. Big 301 V8, automatic, and the seller swears it was running not too long ago. Right now, it's not getting spark, but honestly, coils and points are the easy jobs. He literally still has it sitting on the trailer from when he bought it. Floors need patching, outer metal needs love, but the inner fenders and trunk floor, surprisingly solid for a 55. You also get points, cap, rotor, even brake parts in the trunk. Classic old Mopar, rough around the edges, but absolutely worth saving. Number 2. 1953 Buick Century Custom Coupe. Next up, a 1953 Buick Century, straight 8 under the hood. And yeah, it actually runs great according to the seller. Brakes are out, so don't expect to drive it home unless your right foot is made of courage. Original black paint, blue interior, and it's a one-owner car, which is rare for something this old. The guy also says every extra part you could possibly need comes with it. He's open to trades too, preferably a Pontiac Fiero. Solid, heavy old Buick with a long nose and lots of personality. Number 3. 1965 Chevrolet 2500/C10/F250 mashup. Alright, now this is the Frankenstein special of the day. A 1965 Chevy C10 cab dropped on top of a 2003 Ford F250 Power Stroke chassis. Yep, 6.0 diesel, 6-speed manual, and it runs and drives. No brakes, the bed is just sitting on the frame, and the wheelbase needs shortening before it looks right. But everything electrical is untouched. It's literally a Ford wearing a Chevy Halloween costume. If you want a weird diesel hot rod project, this thing's kind of perfect. Four. 1979 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme S, $1,800, Waverly, VA. Here's a 79 Olds Cutlass, pure Malaise-era muscle vibe. It's got a 350 V8, mild cam, long tube headers, an Edelbrock intake, and a TH350 with a 3200 stall converter. Basically a burnout machine that's missing a few key parts of being a car. It runs, but the brakes, windows, and fuel system all need work. Body's solid though, no rust, no major dents, and it honestly looks like the kind of car someone started building for fun and then life got in the way. Definitely a project, but a cool one. Five. 1965 Chevrolet 1500. Rounding out part 1, we've got a 1965 Chevrolet 1500 4x4. The frame is good, the drivetrain is complete, but the body? Yeah, the seller calls it junk, and he's not exaggerating. This is the kind of truck you buy for the chassis, or because you love punishment and want a full resurrection project. Title's good though, which is half the battle with old trucks. Six. 1963 Ford Galaxy 500. Car number 6 is a 1963 Ford Galaxy 500. Big body, long roofline, classic red-on-red combo, and absolutely no title. The seller says it doesn't run or drive. This is pure project energy. The good news is the car looks pretty complete. It's one of those, if you know what you're doing, you could bring it back type deals. But no paperwork, no spark, no guarantees. Definitely only for brave project hunters. 7. 1971 International Harvester 1510. Next up is a big old 1971 International 1510, heavy-duty farm truck vibes. It's got a 258 Rambler straight 6 with a 4-speed manual and even a hydraulic cylinder for a dump pad. It doesn't run right now, but the seller claims it was running when it got parked. No title, rough condition, but if you want a tough old work truck project, IH Stuff has a charm all its own. Eight, 1964 Chevrolet Corvair Spyder convertible. Car 8 is probably the rarest on today's list, a 1964 Corvair Spyder convertible. Turbocharged flat 6 car from the factory. Super cool, super unusual. This one's torn apart. The previous owner started restoring it and ran out of money. Engine turns freely but doesn't run. Boxes of parts everywhere, Spyder dash is still there, and it even has 4 brand new tires. No title, bill of sale only. Definitely a puzzle project, but for Corvair lovers, this is gold. Nine, 1965 Ford Fairlane. At number 9, a 1965 Ford Fairlane. 4-door, straight 6, 3 on the tree. The seller says it's all original. Chrome, glass, body, everything. The carve needs a rebuild, but the bones are solid. New radiator, newer tires that haven't even touched the road. This isn't a flashy muscle car, but as a survivor-grade classic sedan, it's actually a pretty sweet starting point. 10, 1966 Chevrolet C20 HD. And rounding out today's list is a 1966 Chevy C20, manual transmission, inline 6, and surprisingly, it starts, idles, and moves. But there are absolutely no brakes, and yes, there's rust. Lots of love needed here. No title, but it's got a readable VIN. Classic square fender Chevy truck look, but this one's a bare knuckle project. And that wraps up our tour of 10 under $2,000 classics, straight from Facebook Marketplace. If you're into rusty project cars, weird finds, or just seeing what's hiding out there, stick around for the next video. Hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe if you want more real deal project car hunts. See you in the next one.